Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on trigonometry. First of all, discriminant, quadratic. So before we start that, you can see a QR code here. If you want to watch more videos on Year 12 P1 Mathematics or S1, you can scan these codes. Now, quadratic discriminant, this is the question. I've taken it from the past paper. So I will keep focusing on the concept, and at the same time in the marking scheme what is required and what is the common mistake students make here, considering that it is okay. So let's see a question. It is a curve equation given to you and a line equation is given to you. There is a constant c. You have to find the set of values of c for which the curve and the line meet. Now what do you understand from here? As I will not just solve the question, I will explain the concept as well. You have learned that in discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, there are 4 conditions. If it is greater than 0, it means the curve and the line are meeting at 2 points. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then it means curve and line are just touching. It means line is a tangent to the curve. If it is b square minus 4ac less than 0, then it means line and curve are not meeting. Question is saying here they are meeting. So meeting could be this or meeting could be this. So it means b square minus 4ac greater than and equals to 0. And the same question can be said that they gives you real solution. So if the word real also come, then also this condition is applies. So this one comes when it says intersecting at 2 points, right, specifically. So you need to be very careful. So how do we solve this type of question? Definitely to get b square minus 4ac, we need to get this equation, these intersecting line and curve into which form? Into general quadratic form, right? So to bring it into that form, what I will do? I will equate both of them. So it is 1 over x plus c is equals to cx minus 3. Now after that you will rearrange it, right? But at the same time, don't forget that when you are taking LCM, you will multiply it by x first of all, right? This is a common mistake. Students cross multiply x by this but do not multiply it by c. So you have to remember these basic things. So it will become 1 plus cx is equals to cx square minus 3x. Okay, so now it will be cx square minus 3x. I am bringing right hand side to the left hand side. It will become minus cx minus 1 equals to 0. So now if you see and compare it with the general quadratic equation, which is this one. So what is your a? Let me further simplified it. It's not necessary, but in case if you want to, you can do that. So it will be now a is equals to c, b is equals to minus 3 minus c, and when I'm writing this c, I mean by this, not by the constant. So how can I differentiate? Let me write it dark. Okay, so do not mix up two c's. In the question it is also given c, but when I'm talking about c in the quadratic equation, I meant by the constant value. Okay, so now this is the c of the question. It is what? Minus 1, right? So now because line and curve are meeting, so I can say discriminant is greater than and equals to 0. b square minus 4ac greater than or equals to 0. Now minus 3 minus c whole square minus 4c and minus 1. Is it okay? So now you must know one thing here. By the algebraic identity, a plus b whole square is same as minus a minus b whole square, and the value is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So same expansion I'm going to apply here. It will become what? 9. Just a minute. 9 plus 6c plus c square right? And minus minus plus 4c. So now it will become what? C square plus 10c plus 9 greater than equals to 0. Now you will factorize it. Okay, so it will become what? C square plus 9c plus c plus 1 greater than equals to 0, which is c plus 9 plus 1 c plus 9 greater than 0. Now here is something what students don't do, and marking scheme says that there is 1 mark for it. What is that? You have to show one of the method to get your factors, either completing square method, factorization method, right, or quadratic formula, but you have to show. What students usually do, apply this equation in the calculator and get the values of c and then write the answer. You will not do that, you will lose 1 mark. So always show complete working. So now from here, if you can recall, second mistake happens here. What is the mistake happens here? A student write it like this. Let me tell you. One answer and second answer, which is not the right way, right? This is not right. Basically, this is a quadratic inequality. So factors are telling you what? Factors are telling you the line of x-intercept. Okay. So for example, it is minus 1 and minus 9. Okay, because of the factors I know. The quadratic curve will be something like this. Okay. This is talking about greater than equals to 0. It means I'm talking about the part of the curve which is above the c-axis. In this case, I will call it c-axis because my variable is c here. In general, it is x. So my answer will be for c on this part of the curve, and this part of the curve will be greater than minus 1 and less than minus 9. So I will write c is greater than equals to minus 1 or c is less than equals to minus 9. So this is the way you have to solve this question to get full marks. So this step is crucial to show the factors. Okay, this is the final step on which the marking is given, and then after that the answer. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends as well. So in next video I am solving trigonometric identities. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.